You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these two words correctly. They have different meanings, different properties, different pronunciations too. Stay tuned, by the way, if you want to learn more vocabulary in English. The top word can be pronounced two different ways, either bass, as in low notes in music, or bass guitar, for example. That's pronounced bass. Or it can also be pronounced as bass, as in the fish. So, bass, as in bass guitar, also the adjective bass, or bass for the fish. That's for your top word, B-A-S-S. The bottom word is always pronounced base, as in the base of a building, the base of a foundation, the base of a triangle, base. So top word either base or bass, bottom word always pronounced as base. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.